1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Busy ba kayo? Hindi naman. I have a push-up challenge with a 5,000 pesos cash prize. Would you like to take the challenge? If you beat me, you win 5,000 pesos. If not, you still receive 200 pesos. So now, pass or play?
Play po.
Okay, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 40, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 6, 7, 8,
Hindi ka pa rin makakuha ng 200 pesos. Congrats, congrats. So baka meron kang gustong i-shoutout mga kaibigan mo, family mo.
Shout ko po kali kuya. Si Maya. Pero kaya.
And also, shoutout din sa kasama ko, videographer ko, Fran Salcedo. And yung ibang classmate ko. Ayun, nasa. Grabe mga support. Ito lang sabihin. Okay, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po.